Hello guys, welcome. Today I'm playing Granny Part 1 and I'm gonna show you how you can use remote control to access the secret room. So first you have to take out from this room, and when you go downstairs and on your left, if you go this way, you will see this lock, and when you click on use, so and now you can open this room. Mostly we got a pepper spray to use it on Granny, but this is limited, and you can see it's empty. So might be you can use 4 to 5 times this thing. Okay guys, thanks for watching.